Well, look what we have here. It's actually, what, 6 days since I sent my package, well, my phone, OnePlus Open, to be repaired for the broken screen. It actually came back today. So, yeah, so I guess y'all can join me in just kind of checking what they did. I'm assuming it's repaired because I didn't receive any communication after it was delivered. It actually arrived on Monday. At the location. Yep. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so let's see. Completion report. Let's see. We completed service on your device before sending back to you. Performed diagnostics and a factory reset as well as sanitization. Your repair includes a 90-day warranty on replacement parts, workmanship before going on your device. Parts used: LCD, battery. Work done, part replaced. Then they provided some additional information. Okay, cool. So I guess it seems like they did repair the device. This was the box I sent it in, so I guess, yeah, they did the courtesy of repackaging it the way that I sent it. Alright, okay, they have a... Well, I'm assuming that we should remove the screen protector. I mean, you know, that's, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Well, it feels as good as new. That felt so uncomfortable to close a while ago. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see. I'm going to turn it on. We are alive. She lives. Okay, that's perfect. So I guess what I'll do is, once it boots, I will have it set up, and then I will resume the video just to kind of provide you with updates on how everything goes. Main screen, fine. Cool. So let me check in with you once I get everything set up. So I've gone ahead to test and to inspect this device that was OnePlus Open that was sent for repairs on Saturday, May 18th. I noticed it was damaged on Friday, May 17th, shipped it off the next day, and I got it back today. So this is within 6 days of sending it out for repairs, which is an amazing job because I was promised 8 to 10, and within 6 days, so that's an amazing job right there. But then everything is working. It's fully repaired. There was no out-of-pocket expense to get this repaired, which is great. You know, OnePlus is definitely doing right by their customers, and you know, I just want to give kudos to or as we like to say it back home, you know, big up to the OnePlus team, just from the technicians that they use. It seems as though they use third-party technicians to do this repair, but it doesn't make a difference. It speaks to OnePlus's network, just the network of people from their customer service to their technicians, whether in-house or third-party. They're doing an excellent job. So just to put this into context in terms of the speed, though I shipped it off on Saturday, it was a business day priority kind of shipping, so it would have been shipped off the next business day, in which in this case Monday was on holiday, so the next business day would have been Tuesday. So shipped off on Tuesday, arrived there by Wednesday, shipped back on Thursday, and arrived here on Friday, May the 24th, as we can see here. And I'm testing it, and honestly, the device is solid. Everything is good to go. No complaints whatsoever. It seems as though they replaced the entire hinge. From what I can see on the report that I got back, I don't know why I looked in my hand, but anyway, from what I can see, they also changed the batteries. So, you know, that's a plus. You know, the screen, the entire thing, it feels brand new. Now, the phone was well taken care of before, so you know, I didn't expect to see any scuffs or any new scratches. So that was good. The screen protector I had on it before, the one on the tempered glass I had on before, is no longer there. They probably just needed to remove it for, you know, repairing the device, but that's a minor thing. So yeah, I'm impressed. Great job, OnePlus. You have done an awesome job just in terms of the support from beginning to end, the entire customer service staff who helped me from emails or over the phone. It was quick, it was seamless, awesome. So people, all I can say is OnePlus's warranty, they're good by it. Their service, A+, no complaints. OnePlus Open, we're active. I think what I'm gonna do next is probably match it with this device, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Got it because this phone went away, so I was like, all right, let me just get something else. So I want to put them head to head just to see which one I will keep, because one will have to go. I don't need two Android phones, so yeah, that's going to be the next video. So let's see how that goes in this series. Okay, that's all I got. Talk to y'all later.